Hello everyone, thanks for watching. Today's video we will be doing a block tester, head gasket tester. I noticed that I started to lose some of my coolant and I had to end up topping it off every 3 to 4 weeks. I decided to go to the mechanic, have it checked out. The mechanic said my engine had gone bad. I didn't go into too many details with him. All I knew is that first of all, I had to get a second opinion. And by second opinion, I meant I had to check it myself. Now, the way I'm checking it is by using this block tester, a kit. You could borrow one at your local auto parts store. All you have to do is purchase this blue fluid that goes inside of it. It costs about $10. But the tester tube itself, they'll let you borrow it for free. Just make sure you return it once you're done. Now, the way this works is this tube, once you insert it into your radiator, you create some suction with that suction ball on the top. That blue fluid in there starts to suck in, pretty much any fumes that are inside your radiator. And if there are any exhaust gases, fumes that are trying to exit through your radiator, these will be sucked into this tube, and all those fumes will cause this fluid, this blue fluid, to turn yellow. You can see all those air bubbles being sucked in, and you can see those that blue fluid, actually it's staying blue, it's not turning yellow. So this means that probably I might not have a bad head gasket. I might not have a cracked head or a cracked block. I do recommend, though, do this test at least twice just to make sure you do not get a false result. All you have to do is remove your radiator cap, remove some of the coolant. In my case, I did not have any more coolant, right there at the very top. So I just inserted that tube. Do this as your vehicle is turned off and it's cold. Once you insert the tube and the fluid and you put the suction ball on the top, then you turn on your vehicle, and that's when you start to create the suction. As you can see, all those air bubbles, all that suction being done inside the tube, the fluid is staying blue. So it could be that my truck might have something else wrong, but I could pretty much discard the idea that I might just have a bad engine. I will proceed to do other tests on my vehicle, and I will let you all know of anything else that I've done, and I hope you guys subscribe and you guys like the video. Thank you for watching.